So we are working on Oliver again. Now this color looks good. I think it looks good. I think I made a custom couple years ago, and yeah, this is the right color for it. Now it will include the vinyl. The vinyl you can transfer with one of these tweezers or with a knife. Now I'm trying to figure out if I can put these wheels, but unfortunately they're kind of weak because it's made of plastic. So instead of that, I'm just gonna print the wheels, and whoever wants to buy it needs to remove the axle and transfer the single wheels, which will be in this color and will include, this is a 3D printed wheel for the driving axle. So I did a test, fits right on, very good, fits really perfect. And I need to modify one of these middle wheels. Obviously it will include the side rods, so it might look like this: driving axle, front wheels, which will include side rod from here to the middle wheels. Man, but I wish to put this for sale already, but I'm still working on the other wheels. Yeah, I hope I can post it very soon. Nice.